of Yilan's unique souvenirs, there's one product that you absolutely can't miss. I heard that it was even featured in state banquets. It's a classic and delicious snack chosen by the president to receive foreign dignitaries. This is oval kumquat tea, a must drink when you visit Angrios. It's very fragrant. Yes, try it. It's very good for the throat and trachea.
Wow, this is tasty.
It is. Let's go inside.
It's a little sour and sweet. Whoa, there are so many different kinds of oval kumquats.
The name oval kumquat means golden orange.
Orange. Oh.
Right, we use it to make two kinds of different sweets. This is the original flavor.
Sweet.
Yes.
It tastes like candy.
Yes, it tastes soft and chewy. Actually, it really is candy because it's made of mixing sugar and fruit. So it's really candy.
It's delicious.
Try this. It's a little savory. Yeah.
Oh, it is a little savory.
Right. We added a little salt. Some customers want it to be a little savory, so they will not get tired of the taste easily.
Oh, oval kumquat tastes really great with salt.
Next, let's go try the most special sweet of our shop. This is our crystal candied fruit. It was served at state banquets.
Whoa, these look amazing. And just like you said, it looks like crystals.
This is not peeled. It is made of whole fruit.
Can I eat it whole?
I think you can.
I'll start with the small pieces, okay?
The flavor explodes into your mouth.
Oh, yeah.
It has a lot of pectin. What you are trying now is candied round kumquat. You can also try the crystal oval kumquat.
Is this an oval kumquat?
Yes, it is. The oval-shaped fruit is oval kumquat.
Oh, that's how you differentiate the two.
It is transparent.
This is sour and sweet.
And softer.
No wonder foreign tourists want to try this when they visit.
Do you know why the candied fruits taste icy? It's because I took them directly out from the refrigerator. I didn't defrost them. The amazing thing about the candied fruit is that they can be kept in the freezer without freezing.
Tasting the sweet and sour candied fruits made me very happy. The variety of beautifully packaged candied fruits are a must-try souvenir when you visit Yilan. In order to let people learn how natural candied fruits are produced, the owner of Angrizo established the first transparent candied fruit tourism factory in Taiwan. Tourists can see that delicious candied fruits that are presented at state banquets can be made without any artificial sweetener, food coloring, or chemical fragrance. Wow, we're like in Alice's Adventures in Wonderland.
Yeah, do you know why we put a large table and giant chair here?
Why is that?
Because we want to make every guest experience the memories of their childhood. When we were young, our parents always put candies on the top shelf. You wanted to get it, but you couldn't get it.
Oh, they put candy somewhere we can't reach.
You couldn't hook it as well.
So when customers come into the room, they will see the jar, but they won't be able to get it.
Right. So they can re-experience the past. They can only admire the jar.
Right. And they will want to experience making candied fruits even more, right? Since I can't get the candied fruits on the giant's table, I'll have to make them myself. I never thought that making candied fruits could be so easy. You only have to wash the oval kumquats one by one, cut them open with a tool, put them into a glass jar, add sugar and salt, and mix evenly. That's it. Now shake the jar. These are the only steps. You don't add anything else in the jar?
No. In our factory, we make candied fruits only with sugar and salt. You only add these two ingredients, and we don't use any preservatives. We make candied fruits in the most natural way. You have to shake until all the sugar and salt are gone.
Will it? Will they all disappear?
Yes. If it takes over 10 minutes, it shows that you're not very skilled.
Okay. So these are the most natural and the freshest candied fruits. They expire in 10 days.
You need to finish it within 10 days.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
I look like a bartender right now.
When you shake the jar like this, the peel will soften, so sugar and salt will be absorbed quickly into the fruit through the peel. Here you can taste delicious candied oval kumquats and also make a jar of them to take home.
Putting such natural and tasty snacks on the kitchen table, you can also enjoy a state banquet at home. When you visit Yilan, you must buy ox tongue-shaped cookies as a souvenir. I heard that this store is over 100 years old. I can already smell the fragrance here. Let's follow the aroma. Hello.
Hello.
It smells so good here. Is this where you make the ox tongue-shaped cookies?
Right. These are freshly baked.
Oh, wow. The whole room smells amazing. Ooh. Hello.
Hello.
So, are these two powder?
No, the side that you're looking at is the dough. This is the filling.
Oh, so the filling is made of sugar.
Yes, the sugar is a mix of malt and powdered sugar.
And then she forms the dough and sugar into balls and then flattens the dough like that.
Right.
When she put the dough on the tray, I saw her took a toothpick and made a line in the middle. Why did she do that?
It's to prevent the dough from swelling. If it swells, it's more difficult for packaging.
That's why it's called ox tongue-shaped cookies. It has a flat shape.
Right.
Are ox tongue-shaped cookies a unique snack in Yilan?
Lugang Township in Changhua County also makes ox tongue-shaped cookies. However, they make them soft and thick. However, here in Yilan, we make them thin and crispy.
Yeah, I heard your shop is over 100 years old.
To put it correctly, it is almost 150 years old.
150 years?
Yes.
Oh, this taste must be very authentic and delicious.
I'll let you try one.
Can I try it? All of these?
Right. Try it.
Oh, wow. I am going to try an ox tongue-shaped cookie. It's so crispy. Wow. It's really good, and it's thin and crispy. There's not too much sugar in it either. It's perfectly sweet. This is really the first time I've walked inside a shop and watched people make ox tongue-shaped cookies. I always thought they were made by machines.
Some shops use machines, but all our cookies are purely handmade.
The handmade ox tongue-shaped cookies do not have fancy packaging, but they have a simple and crispy taste. The local snack has been passed on for nearly 150 years. It's not only a great option for a gift, but also for your own enjoyment. Visiting the old city of Yilan, you must visit the religious center of the local people. U.AMAZING Temple. It was built in 1808. It worships the sea goddess Mazu. It is over 200 years old, and it is a county-designated historic site. Moreover, in 1834, it was moved to its current location from the original site that faced the opposite direction, making it a rare Mazu temple that faces the mountains. Hello, Deputy Chairman.
Hello, welcome.
I know U.AMAZING Temple is very famous because it is the religious center of Yilan City. Is that right?
Yes, the temple is located at the center of the old city of Yilan. It is also the religious center of many people. People often come to worship Mazu.
Oh, I heard something interesting. Most Mazu temples face the sea, but this temple faces the mountains.
Right.
Why is it?
This Mazu temple was built in the 13th year of Jiaqing Emperor's reign. Initially, it faced east. Later, following the suggestion of geomancy specialists, in the 14th year of Daoguang Emperor's reign, people relocated the temple to face west. After that, Yilan City saw the birth of many Jingshi and Juren, many civil servants and scholars, so the temple faces a very auspicious direction.
Oh, it's a very special story. Because of the suggestion of geomancy specialists, Yilan produced many civil servants, and it became a city full of scholars. During the Japanese colonial period, the democratic leader born in Yilan, Jiang Weishui, founded a newspaper reading club in the back hall of U.AMAZING Temple. He displayed various kinds of books to spread ideas of revolution and democracy, making the temple the first base of resistance against Japanese colonization at the time. The temple also preserves many ancient relics, including plaques made during Daoguang Emperor and Xianfeng Emperor's reign. Therefore, it has also become an important historical monument in Yilan County.